Hey, hope you're having a great day. In today's video, I'm going to share my top 3 college tips or college pointers. And in all honesty, this might be the most unconventional college advice or college tips video on all of YouTube because I went to college very differently than most people did. Basically, I've been seeing college tips or college advice videos all over the internet, and it's mostly college students shooting these videos from their dorms, giving tips about how to get through college life better. This is different. I'm going to talk about my advice for students who want to accelerate college degrees. I earned my entire bachelor's degree in just 9 months. So if you're in a situation where you want to do it faster, you don't want to spend 6 years sitting in a classroom, this is custom made just for you. So these top 3 college tips, if this sounds good to you, then let's dive in. Hi, I'm Ryan Swayt, and I used to be a 2-time college dropout, making just $12 an hour. Then I learned how to hack college and earned an entire bachelor's degree in 9 months flat. Subscribe to my channel and I'll show you how. All right, so the first of my 3 college tips, I'm going to dive right in. Tip number 1 is choose a school that's a good fit for your career and your personal situation, and not by just the name of the school or prestige, right? A lot of people choose schools because they have a prestigious name. Well, here's the thing. Prestigious schools are more expensive, okay? And what happens, people don't realize to get a 4-year bachelor's degree, colleges don't tell you this, but it actually takes more than 6 years on average to earn a bachelor's degree. So people sign up for these really prestigious schools that cost a lot of money, and then 2 years later, they realize they've only done a year to a year and a half of school, and they can't keep going, and they end up dropping out and just have major debt because they chose a really prestigious school. Now, I'm not saying that a prestigious school is always the wrong choice. I'm saying choose your school based on what career path you're trying to get to, okay? What's your end goal and what degree is going to get you to that end goal, okay? Now, here's the reality. Most employers, most jobs that require a college degree, they want you to have a college degree, but there's no stipulation on where you earn that degree from. Obviously, you want to choose a regionally accredited school that is respected, but you don't need to go to an Ivy League school if you don't have an Ivy League career mapped out. I hope that makes sense. There are specific jobs. Let's say you want to be a lawyer and you want to work at a law firm in Chicago or New York City or one of these big cities. Yeah, maybe you need an Ivy League degree to get one of those jobs. But if you are just looking for local jobs around where you live, chances are you probably don't need a big prestigious Ivy League degree to get that job. So step 1 is you're just going to map out, what do you want to do with your life? What do you want with your career? And then what is the easiest, fastest, cheapest way to qualify for that specific job? And that is the smartest way to choose where you're going to go to college and what approach you're going to take. Are you going to sit in a classroom for 6 years? Are you going to accelerate a degree and do it faster? Can accelerating get you to where you need to be? Or do you need to go to Princeton University or some Ivy League school to get the job you want to get? So that's number 1. Map out your career before you go to college. And that doesn't mean you have to know exactly what you want, but you need to have a broad idea of what path you're trying to go down and what doors you need open. Okay. Now, tip number 2 is don't follow the school's graduation path. Okay. Colleges and universities are businesses. Colleges and universities want your money. Colleges and universities want you to be enrolled in school as long as possible because that's how you are required to pay more tuition. They want more money, okay? They are structured like businesses. Here's the thing. It doesn't take, the average bachelor's degree in the United States is more than 6 years to earn. It doesn't take 6 years to actually learn what you need to learn. Okay. It's all sorts of hoops the college makes you jump through. They make you attend lectures. They make you read textbooks. They make you do homework and quizzes and group projects and study guides and follow lesson plans. All types of busy work. Why? Because it takes you longer. Okay. Don't do it the school's way. Find the fastest way to graduate and follow that path to graduation. I ended up testing out of all of my college classes in a matter of 9 months to earn an entire bachelor's degree. Lots of schools offer programs like this, really big name, good, highly respected schools, highly accredited schools offer programs like this, but they don't tell you about it. They kind of bury it under the rug so that you spend more time in school and you end up having to pay more tuition. So find faster ways to graduate, find the path of least resistance, learn what you need to learn, and move on and get your degree faster, okay? And if you're wondering how in the world to do that, I will more than happy to tell you that in just a minute. But first, I want to get into my number 3 suggestion, okay? Tip number 3 is to use modern resources to learn, okay? Colleges and universities for who knows how long, hundreds of years, have been using textbooks, okay? And what happens is people publish textbooks and then the school accepts them and makes them part of their curriculum. And then curriculum is based off of textbooks. Okay. Well, let's say you're sitting down and you want to learn math. Reading a textbook is not always the best way to learn math. In fact, it's probably one of the worst ways to learn math. And of course, yes, you have teachers' lectures and things like that, but teachers are just walking you through what they're learning from the textbooks themselves. And of course, there's some good teachers that really go out of their way to make sure you understand things and things like that. Those are the teachers you want to look for. But here's the thing. Technology is more advanced than it's ever been in history, obviously, okay? And learning is easier than it's ever been, okay? Use the internet. If you have a question, if you're stumped on a math class, go to YouTube and watch YouTube videos on how to do that specific math principle. And guess what? You'll see videos of good teachers teaching you how to do these things, and you're watching a video instead of trying to read a textbook. Okay? So modern resources, when I say modern resources, I mean the internet, right? Pull your phone out of your pocket, sit down at your desktop or your laptop and study using modern technology. It is so much faster, so much easier to learn. So those are my 3 biggest college tips, and I hope that they change your life as much as they've changed my life. Like I said, these suggestions allowed me to earn a bachelor's degree in 9 months. If you're wondering how in the world I did that, I don't have time in this video, but I'm going to leave a link down below in the description where I have a free video that you can watch where I walk through the 3-step process of degree hacking, okay? How to hack college, graduate faster, save tens of thousands of dollars in tuition with less effort, okay? When I say I got my degree in 9 months, I did it while having a wife and kids, while working full time. I did it basically in my free time. You can absolutely do the same. It's possible. I'll leave the link to that video down below in the description. And you can watch it for free, no strings attached. I hope this video has added value to your day, and I hope that following these steps make your college life easier, save you money, and help you graduate faster. If you've liked this video, subscribe to the channel, like the video, click the notification bell, and you'll start seeing more videos just like this, where I share advice on how to get college degrees faster, how to save a whole bunch of money on tuition, and more. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you in the next video.